Ayush, let's test your Pokemon hit point knowledge.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Stonjourner VMAX.
330.
Correct. Duraldon.
330.
Centicord.
320.
Ice Rider. Calyrex VMAX.
320.
Good. Mew VMAX.
300.
Wow. Urshifu VMAX.
330.
Pikachu. Is it a VMAX or what?
VMAX.
And what is the HP?
310.
Tapu Koko VMAX.
320.
Okay, you can also tell me it is a VMAX or not, okay? Calyrex.
320.
Is it a VMAX?
Yes, it is a shadow.
Correct. Shadow Rider, Calyrex VMAX. Umbreon.
320. VMAX. 310.
Correct.
VMAX.
Inteleon VMAX.
320. VMAX.
Eternatus.
340. VMAX.
Centior.
320. VMAX.
Good. Mew VMAX.
310.
Urshifu.
330.
Mimikyu.
VMAX. 320. 300.
Good. Gudra.
270.
What is its complete name?
Hisian Mudra Vistar.
Very nice. Shaimin.
Vista 250.
Good. Decidueye.
270. Vista
Drapion.
280. Vista
Good. Aerodactyl.
260.
Mewtwo.
280. Vista
Gudra.
Hisian Mudra Vista 270.
Arceus.
280.
Sam. What is that, Aishu?
Samazanta Vista 270.
Kingler VMAX.
330.
Pikachu.
190.
Giratina.
280.
Decidueye.
290.
Zoron.
270.
Eevee. Drapion. Giratina. Decidueye. Vista. Gudra already we have done, right? Pikachu V.